In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play PlayStation 5 without controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If for whatever reason you don't have access to a DualSense controller to be used with your PlayStation 5 console, there are some things that you can try to do to still use and play games on your PlayStation 5 without it. Keep in mind that the support is going to be very limited, however, you can still try to see if it works. So the most direct approach to this is going to be connecting a keyboard and mouse, so I highly recommend this option first. If you have a basic USB keyboard and mouse, go ahead and connect it to your PlayStation 5 console. By establishing a connection, you will most likely be able to navigate through all of the menus and even get inside of games. However, there is going to be a difference from game to game. Some games, for example GTA 5, will not have any sort of support for keyboard and mouse. However, others like Minecraft will have it. So you will have to go into a specific game and see if your keyboard and mouse gets detected. If it does, then you will be able to play without any issues. Alternatively, if you don't want to use a keyboard and mouse, you don't have access to one, or the game that you want to play does not support them, then there's not much else that you can do. The best course of action would be to acquire the PlayStation Remote Play application. However, this is only going to work if you have previously set it up on the PlayStation 5 console. So if you don't have a controller to navigate through the menus, and you also don't have a keyboard and mouse to go to the PlayStation Remote Play options and enable it from there, then sadly there's not much else that you can do. This all needs to be done beforehand, and by using the PlayStation Remote Play application, you can control your PlayStation 5 and even potentially play specific games. So it acts as a controller on any mobile device, but because you need to set it up beforehand, if you didn't, then sadly this isn't going to be the proper solution. So you will either need to acquire a cheap keyboard and mouse combo, or indeed get an additional controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play PlayStation 5 without controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.